Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the different certifications provided by Xero. Okay, so currently I am on Xero learning site and just click on certification. So you can see it four different kind of certificates: advisor, payroll, tax, and migration. Now let's talk about the advisor certificate. So you can see here there are four ways by which you can get the certify. Okay, so self-paced is one, second one is webinar, third one is in-person classroom, and fourth one is fast track. And self-paced is good option. Okay, so you will gain a deep knowledge of software. It's around 8-hour process. Okay, so you have to read the articles, and from that particular articles you have to give the answers of the particular questions, and here you will get the multiple attempts. Okay, so there is no such kind of negative marking here. Now let's talk about the fast track assessment, and here one condition is that you have to gain minimum 80% to get certified. Okay, so this one is around 1 hour process. Fine. So if you are doing first time, then you have to go with self-paced examination. Now let's talk about the payroll. So you can also see here three kind of options: self-paced, webinar, and fast track. So I also suggest here you should go with self-paced. Okay, as you are doing the first time for payroll certification, then you must go with self-paced process. Fine. So here you will get the same process from the articles. You have to give the questions answer. Now let's talk about the tax specialist. So let's see here how many ways are there. So you can see here the two ways: self-paced and webinar. Okay, so I suggest here you must go with self-paced process. Fine. Now let's talk about the last certification, migration. So if you want to learn how to migrate from different software to Xero, okay, how to convert that particular data from different software to Xero, so you can gain that particular knowledge from here. Fine, and you will also get the certificate of this particular process. Okay, and this one is recertification. Okay, so if there is any kind of update, or if your certificate is going to expire in future, then you can process to update the same from here. Fine. Now if you have any kind of queries or any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in comment. Same way you can also contact me on Instagram. Fine. So in this way we can get the different kind of certificates. Okay, so this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.